Do you want a list of the 99 most profitable niche markets for high-ticket dropshipping? Hi, I'm Trevor Fenner, the founder of Ecommerce Paradise. About 15 years ago, I started doing high-ticket dropshipping online. And today I have over 10 different profitable high-ticket dropshipping stores, and I've sold over 5 high-ticket dropshipping stores. And the one thing that I found that was really difficult in the very beginning was finding the best niche markets to sell in. Because with high-ticket dropshipping, you have to choose a niche, and there's lots of niches to choose. There's products all over the home like TVs, cabinetry, couches, tables, and water coolers. There's tons of different product categories out there. How do you choose what to sell online? Well, I have a shortcut for you. If you're looking for the best, most profitable niche markets, go check out my niches list. Just go to ecommerceparadise.com/niches to download your free niches list today. I'll see you on the inside.